Today we're going to change the blades out of our Weber one-touch vent system. I'm Johnny, you're watching A View to a Grill, and as you can see here, our blades on our Weber one-touch vent system are frozen. The first thing I did was clean it up a little bit just so that when I turn the Weber bowl over, I won't make a huge mess. If you have this issue, you're going to find that it's pretty easy. We're just going to go right down the list of instructions. So I do have the Weber branded vents. You can buy some off-brands on Amazon, but I wanted to be sure that it all works together, so I went with the Weber brand. In the box, you'll find 3 blades and the handle assembly. You'll also see the installation manual, but I just went by the one I found on the Weber website. The first thing we need to do is to pop the handle loose. The instructions show a screwdriver, but first I scraped away some of the corrosion. And then I used my hammer to tap these little guide rings loose. And you can just see some of that corrosion falling off. Now that the handle is loose, all we have to do is twist it to break it free. And I did that, and it was pretty easy to twist back and forth. And now that it's loose, we can then just pull the handle right out, and it did take a little bit of force. Now all we have to do is tap the handle assembly loose from the H-ring. I did that just by hitting it straight down with my hammer. And then you can see here that the vents just fell right off. Now if you look at each one of the vent blades, you'll see that they come numbered 1 through 3. Now when you're putting this together, the only thing you really have to be sure of is that this little notch is facing the ovals on your one-touch system. Now I'm doing this one-handed. The first one you put on is the one labeled 1, then the one labeled 2, and then the one labeled 3. All right, so we got them all on, and here's what that's going to look like. Now all we have to do from the underside is to put that H bracket back on and then slide the handle through the little guide holes. And then once we have the handle in, we can then turn it clockwise for it to be secure. And that's it. Now we can put our bowl back on and then turn the handle clockwise again just to make sure that it is locked in place. Now we can give it a little turn, and you can see the vent system works perfectly. Now if you haven't already subscribed to View to a Grill, go ahead, do that now. You're going to love everything that I have coming up. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.